Haro primary school construction. The general objective of this project is enhancing the quality of education in Meta Guta Kombole community by constructing and equipping Haro Primary School. Meta Guta Kombole KA 60 kilometers to the north of Finfinne is one of the rural KA in Berek district of Oromia Special Zone surrounding Finfinne. The KA is not well established in some basic social and economic facilities, like school, health center, and mainly access to drinking water. There are one elementary school built by local community and Warida administration is the only school in the KA. To enhance the quality of education in Meta Guta Kombole community by constructing Haro Primary School will feature a comprehensive layout, including one block with 4 classrooms, a school feeding center capable of serving 120 students at a time, and a dedicated kindergarten block with 2 classrooms, complete with playgrounds and restrooms. These facilities are designed to create a safe and nurturing environment for our youngest learners, fostering both growth and development. In addition to educational facilities, our water project will provide potable water to over 500 students, teachers, and community members, ensuring health and hydration for all. With a total investment exceeding 9.5 million Ethiopian birr, we are committed to closing the educational gap in our local areas. This remarkable initiative was made possible through the generous support of the Yakel Foundation, Faith Lutheran Church, the Mary Alphonse Bradley Fund, and Tarkonfi Start Walking. On November 16, 2024, we proudly celebrated the inauguration of Haro Primary School alongside our community and other partners. The community of Meta Village has awarded the founder and leader of TSD Mrs. Workanish Begi and the employee of the organization Elias Abati with the Hero Award.
Amle,